Welcome everybody to Hug E for Europe. Huge, it's a huge thing, it's a big thing. And I would like to start by, how do I advance this? By thanking our host, Lana from ITER, for hosting this event, and then our organizing committee, Laurie Cooper at the HDF Group. Laurie is probably asleep now. Lana, Andy Gotts, and myself. And I would also like to thank all of you who have joined us here today in person and the people that will be coming and the people joining online. It's really a big thing after 2 years of pretty misery and dread. And of course, thanks to science and manufacturers for COVID-19 vaccines. That's why we can be here today. What you can look forward to, I think you can look forward to a broad spectrum of talks from presenters from around the world. This time we tried to, and we'll do better every time, I think, to find speakers from around the world, from very diverse fields where HDF5 is being used, because yes, the people here at ITER and at ESRF and so forth, people use HDF for very specific things, but let's not forget that HDF5 is also being used by small engineering firms in government elsewhere, and just sort of trying to highlight that cross-section of the many different ways how HDF5 is being used. I think that's one of our goals. The interesting thing about this event is you will find what I would call temporarily the highest concentration of HDF5 knowledge and experience. And for in-person attendees, we remember, for those of you who want to join us for dinner tomorrow night, I mean, that said, I don't know if we can accept any latecomers. Maybe we can, but that's tomorrow night. And then as a special treat, the ITER site visit on Thursday. And let's see, logistics. There will be, of course, presentations. We hope to make recordings available after the event. And most presentations are 20 minutes. And please leave 5 minutes for discussion and questions. Moderators will give you sort of a 5 to 1 minute warning and call it an online etiquette. Please mute your microphones unless you are speaking. And then I think since we are using Teams, if you would like to ask a question, you can raise your hand if you want to ask a question. And then, be social. I don't know. Unfortunately, we cannot see attendees' cameras, but maybe attendees among themselves can see each other, so be social. And there will be breaks. Transportation worked very well for us here this morning. The bus was there early, and it was a very enjoyable ride over here, although Lana just told me there might be some complications on Thursday, but it was great this morning.